Alright, so the Zoomer Pup has been plugged in for quite a while. And we're going to see the moment of truth. Does she work? Gotta turn her on A, English. Let's turn her on. Let's put this in. Oh my god! Oh baby! She hates it. This makes it do like a trick or something? This button right there. But get some treats. Here. My mom threw this at to sister today. She just went like that, and it accidentally hit her face. My mom wasn't purposely doing it. It was just supposed to go like that in front of her. What's she doing? What you doing, Zoomer? What you doing? What you doing? What's she doing? What you doing? What's she doing? It's like so freaking soft. I want to see if I can sell her. Like, this thing was $80, but like, I'm the freaking daredevil. Oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna like do the thing where I find her. So skit. Let's go. Every day in the neighborhood. Ooh. With a lovely, lovely day in the neighborhood. What a lovely little day. A puppy! Puppy, come here. It's a little puppy. I want to actually show you guys what its eyes looks like. You guys can't see it. Oh. It's a puppy.
I need your help, Mullen.
A puppy.
I need your help, Mullen. Oh God, what is it?
No.
I want that third floor here.
By the way, I kind of want to do like what's in my purse, but the Zoomer puppy.
I need your help, Mullen. Mullen. Move.
Boy.